Choosing the right pipe material can determine the reliability of an entire piping system. Carbon steel remains one of the most widely used piping materials because of its strength, availability, and cost. For demanding corrosive environments, stainless and duplex materials can provide significantly greater resistance.
PMI helps verify that the alloy installed in the plant is actually the alloy specified.
Traceability connects the physical pipe to its manufacturing and certification records. The correct material must resist the actual corrosion mechanisms present in the process. Metal is not always the answer. HDPE, FRP, and line systems can be valuable alternatives for selected services. The best material is not simply the strongest or cheapest. It is the material that safely meets the complete service requirements.